Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome. It's Wednesday. It's time for our weekly quickie, Modest Beauty, Get Ready With Me. And today I want to do a very quick get out the door look, and it'll be quick. And I will be using One and Done. This is Laura Mercier's Caviar Eyeshadow Stick. And this one here, the shade is Magnetic Pink. Okay, and with that, I will be using the Victoria Beckham, and this is her, this is actually an eyeliner, and this is in burgundy. I'll go ahead and line my eyes real quick and then work in the Caviar Stick. And as far as the foundation, I will go with the Clinique Even Better, and this is a dewy look finish. And so in order for me to make sure that this doesn't lift, I am going to try the liquid blush, and I just purchased this. It's by Milani, and I bought this because I had a problem with my cream foundation that is lifting my dewy foundation. So I'm going to try liquid, and along with that I have the Orgasm highlighter, and I had two of these, and I just recently decluttered one, but I still have this one, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And followed up with that, of course, I will use my usual mascara by MAC, I think. Hold on. Actually, I will go with this new one I have, which is CoverGirl, and it looks like this. I'm giving it a try. I tried it the first time. I didn't really care for it because the brush is just humongous. Look at this. And so I'm going to try to give it a go again and see how it works out, because this is very clunky. And so, but I'm trying it, right? It's waterproof mascara. And then I will follow it up. Finally, on the lips would be Pat McGrath's Lip Lust, and this is in Divine Rose. And as you can tell, I already did prepare my eyebrows, and I did use my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Ash Brown. Okay, and my eyelids, because I'm using a cream stick, I did not prep it with my usual Mario, but I did prep it with my Viseart, because Viseart is more like a cream instead of a waxy barrier. So this just gets absorbed, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a go. So let's turn on the music, guys, and let's go.
I've realized